Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I've got another mystery box to open. This one is from Jeffree Star himself. It is the Valentine's Day mystery box and it is the deluxe size. They had the deluxe size for $99 and the supreme size, can't remember the price on that one, but I thought I would pick up the deluxe size one. I know mine is coming a little late than probably everyone else's, but I ordered mine a little later. So if you want to see what I got in my mystery box, is it the same as everyone else's? I don't know. I haven't watched everyone else's video. So hang tight. We're getting right into it. Okay, first of all, I love these boxes that they come in with the little hearts and the little symbols and the little question marks. It's just really cute. I think I did this last year with the Jeffree Star box, and for Valentine's Day, I didn't get the Halloween mystery box though. He's got red and pink paper. I have a sneaking suspicion something is going to be in here that I already have, but we shall see. Okay, alright, I am seeing some stuff. They also said there would be some exclusive items that you can't get on the website. This might be one of them. It is a rose quartz. Oh, helps with developing self-love and improving relationships. Okay, and it's got a little star there. That is cute. I love what do you call it? Stones, bracelets. I like this. That I think is really cool. Aaron and I used to make jewelry back in the day, back before we had kids and stuff, and we used to make a lot of bracelets like this kind of stuff. So that is really, really cool. I got that. The next thing is a phone ring. Isn't that cute? And yeah, it's just a little Jeffree Star phone ring. Really, really cute. I kind of like the back of my phone. It's kind of got a Chinese dragon on the back. I don't know if I will use that or not. Okay, next we have some single shadows. One is in Gravedigger and the other is in Power. Let us take a look at these. I don't know. This is kind of a bluish gray color, I would say. I don't know what palette that one is from. I'm guessing this Gravedigger one is from the Cremated palette though. That would just be my wild guess. Oh, it looks like we might have some more single shadows in here too. This is like a dark gray color. Okay, I've got 4 more single shadows in here. One is called Make It Rain. I am going to guess this is from his Blood Money palette. Oh, that is a super cool green. I finally have a Z palette that will hold a lot of singles. So I am probably going to put these singles in there. This one is a beautiful blue color. What is that called? Ocean Ice? Oh, it's a beautiful blue shimmer color. Oh, wow. Is that maybe from his Blue Blood palette? I don't know. And this color is called Mortuary Beautician. I'm sorry, that just... That's a real pretty shimmery gray shade. That one just struck me funny. I'm sorry. I have a sick sense of humor. Okay. And then this last one is called Jaded. It is right here. And it looks like a dark green, dark emerald color. That is beautiful. And yeah, I think those are all the single shades. So let's take out a couple of these things. So what is this? This is a Jeffree Star Supreme Gloss. I am not going to say this name. You're not going to trick me into saying that name, Jeffree Star. Okay, that looks like this. Pretty color. Ooh. I like that. A very cool looking pink color. I like that doe foot too. Okay, and then we have another Supreme Gloss in the color Fatality. I don't know why it's in a different, I don't know why this one's in a black box and this one's in a red box. Oh, it's another pink one. Oh, I wonder how different it is. Oh, it is a little more, oh, it's a little different. There is a difference. Oh, I love these. These are glosses and not liquid lipsticks. I love that they're glosses. Okay. And there are still a lot more in here, of course. I'm just wiping this off. Let me see, what is this? It says Heartbreaker on it. It's a hand mirror. It's a cute little hand mirror. Oh, this is like something I can put in my purse. And like touch up my lipstick on. Oh, look at that. Isn't that so cute? I like that. Oh, that is so precious. Okay, what else? I am loving this. Oh my gosh, I just saw what's at the bottom. Okay, and then this, what we have here, it just says magnetic palette. Oh, it's a magnetic palette. So, I didn't know he sold these. So you can put single shadows in there. How cute. Okay, it's all wrapped in, it's all sealed up. So that is what it looks like. Where you can see on the inside. Very, very pretty. I think this one's better than last year's, for sure. And then we have this. What is this? I'm just going to open the box. I'm not going to read it. What is this? It's like a clip. LED star selfie light. Okay. It's just a battery powered one. Okay. Oh, look at that. So I can like put it on my phone here and have a little selfie light. I used to have one of these. I mean, not the Jeffree Star. Oh, it's yellow warm light, white light, and a bright, and both together. Oh my gosh. Oh, it does have a place for a charger. It just doesn't give you a charger. That is just too much. Oh my gosh. And there is still more. Oh my gosh, there is a velvet trap lipstick. I love these. In the color Nudist Colony. Really, Jeffree? Oh my gosh. Oh, it is very pretty. Another pink color. This one is very cool toned and very, very nude looking. Oh my gosh. That is also a beautiful color. I love his velvet trap lipsticks. Oh my gosh. And another lip product. Is there anything in here? Called, let's just put that up there. Okay. Yeah, there's something in here. It just felt empty. Oh dear. Oh my. Oh my. Look at that. It needs to be mixed up a little bit. This is definitely for a special occasion. Look at that. Wow. Okay, and finally, the coup d'etat of the box is the Blood Sugar palette. I thought they were going to sneak in the Pink Religion palette again, but no. I've got the Blood Sugar palette. The one and only. And this is what she looks like. Very, very beautiful. It has lots of nudes in it, has reds, has pinks and purples, which you know I like, and has those cute Jeffree Star embossings in it. Oh my gosh, I might have to do a look with it sometime. Oh, never thought I would own that palette. Well, this is just a Valentine's treat. Oh my gosh. I love it. Yes, so I got the Blood Sugar palette. This awesome little mirror here. This really awesome LED selfie light. A velvet trap lipstick. A very, very, what would you call this? Very interesting, although I definitely would wear it with a look. Lip gloss. 2 Supreme lip glosses. Let's see here. Oh, there's the charger cable. It did come with the charger cable. Okay. A magnetic palette. And a phone ring and a bracelet and 6 single shades. I think this was a really awesome box. I think they outdid themselves from last year for sure. Let me know what you think. Did you get this box? Did you get the same items? Do you like Jeffree Star products? Anything like that. I would love to know everything down in the comments below, what you think. And yeah, and just tell me how your day is going. I love hearing from you. And is this what everybody got in their boxes? Because I don't know. I haven't watched anybody else. So, alright, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And anything, commenting, liking it, disliking it, anything helps out with engagement. But more than anything, I am just so glad you are here watching this video. If you are new here, hi, welcome, hello. I would love it if you would subscribe, hit that notification bell, set it to all, so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So I hope you're having an amazing, fantastic day out there today. If you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video soon. Just stay well until then, okay? Again, thank you for watching, and I will, again, see you later. Okay, goodbye.